that's not our hotel? Courtyard, there we go.
Are we here?
Yep.
Are we here yet?
I said, yep. Damn. Oh, if we have a balcony, that's gonna be beautiful.
Erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the
I'm so amazed that you are mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. If we can work together, maybe this can last forever. This is something that I wanna hold on to. So baby, try to understand. I'll be crazy, crazy.
Alright, sweetie, so we're about to head out. I just woke up not too long ago, so I just threw on, you know, something real quick because we're headed out. But it's a cold, rainy day in June. I'm over it. But I don't know where we're going, but we're out at this hotel room. That's for sure. See me in the back? Yeah, gotta let my stuff play everywhere I go. But yeah, let's just get out. How about that? So I'm actually gonna go ahead and get out my vlog kit so I can vlog. So I have my microphone cover, my tripod, and so I'm just gonna set this up So if I do have to do a mukbang, I can. So I'm gonna set this up.
We're going to Checkers?
I'm not sure where we're going yet. There we go, snapped on. Okay, so that's on to hold my phone. And now here's my mic. And I always forget how I have this set up. Oh, I need my light first. So here's my light. Okay. So I'm gonna put my light on here. Twist that on. All right. So here we go. I got my mic plugged in so you can probably hear me a little better without the background noise. So this is the iVlog kit. And I have a whole video on this that my husband surprised me with this. So you can go ahead and check out that vlog. This is what it's called. Maybe this is what it's called right here. Okay, but I got my stuff together. You can see it comes with like a little timer to start and stop. You can connect to Bluetooth. It's set up. I have my tripod, phone holder, my light, and then my microphone. And I got on this little cute little simple, very simple outfit. Just that mom shirt, you know, like mom shirt, just running up real quick. But yeah. All right, sweetie.
I got an Ohio leaf.
So when you're using a vowel, is it a or an? Oh, that's Top Golf. A or an? And Ohio. Good. We are the winking lizard. Okay, so you're gonna get some mukbang action, but this video is gonna be split because I'm gonna do a mukbang for the winking lizard, and but I'm gonna leave a little clip in for this vlog. Okay.
You change overnight. You are the sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
Alright, sweeties, I hope you enjoyed that mini family mukbang. There is a separate mukbang video coming out after this vlog is out, so go ahead and check out the full mukbang. But we're going to go ahead and head back to the hotel and lay it on down because we got the itis.
When can we go to the pool?
Ooh, not tonight. Probably tomorrow. But, you know what having the itis means, Amira? Alright, we're going to have to look in the Urban Dictionary. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Life Astelle. Hope y'all enjoyed this vloggy vlog. We'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Give this video that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Oh wait, y'all tell them. What they gotta do?
You gotta subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Peace.
Is that it? Did you just throw popcorn at my subscribers? Do that on your YouTube channel. Okay.
Cassie?
This is coming on.
Oh yeah, Raul, you see them back there throwing popcorn in the car?
You better not.
They both did. They threw them at my sweeties.
I better not see a piece of popcorn on that floor. Or it's on.
Ooh, it's on and popping. It's getting lit. All right, go ahead.
It ain't nothing, no. What up, Arkansas, Minnesota, kids? In Ohio, don't forget the Shiloh. Guns look like a pyro.
Hi. I can be a froggy. Ready? Out. Yeah. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Lean back.
I'm gonna get started.
Hey guys, look at my hair. Was it just a jacket? No, it's my hair. You can't see the rest of my hair. Now I have bangs. Oh, another section. Yeah. I pulled my wig off. Why? I must trust you.
Oh my, Amir. You know I just did my hair, right? Okay.
It's fine.
I think you need to back off. Yeah, it's my hair, not yours. You'll never mess with the lady's hair.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I know that I don't make things clear.
Mom, the hawk is right there.
I fall for
You have to get in line.
time I tried to resist.
Here, give me you guys' I like how they have the seats on there. You want to get on? So cute. Can you look it off your nose?